Are you looking for the best snow blowers? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best snow blowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PowerSmart 2-Stage Gas Snow Blower. Budget-minded shoppers will want to take a close look at the PowerSmart 2-Stage Snow Blower, a model that offers many desirable features found in higher-end models at a more modest price. While it may not be the best choice for especially extreme conditions, it's plenty capable of clearing the occasional big storm and all light to medium snow loads. With an intake height of 20 inches and a high-speed impeller that works well in dense snow, this machine performs well in dense snow. It also excels on uneven surfaces and inclines, thanks to a quality drive system that includes reverse options. During testing, its 208 cubic centimeters engine ran smoothly, and the electric star made it easy to fire up every time. Once we were clearing, it even threw snow through the adjustable chute with power that matched models costing twice as much. This model stands out as one of only a few low-cost snow blowers deliver both powerful performance and user-friendly functionality. It's only slightly more expensive than a heavy-duty electric snow shovel, yet it's more than enough machine to clear the average driveway with ease. What we like: great price compared with other 2-stage models. Powerful enough to clear large driveways. Self-propelled design easily clears snow up to 10 inches. 180-degree adjustable chute and push-button electric start. What we don't like: narrower intake means more passes. Reduced traction on steep inclines and ice. Specs: type, 2-stage. Width, 24 inches. Self-propelled, yes. Number 2. Ego Power Plus 24-inch Snow Blower with Peak Power. Whether snow is piling up on a sidewalk, patio, or even a gravel driveway, this battery-powered snow blower is powerful enough to push through. We were initially skeptical about its capabilities, but its 2-stage system had no problem scooping and throwing snow up to 50 feet, and the self-propelled wheels made it incredibly easy to maneuver. The batteries on this unit provide enough power for up to 135 minutes before needing recharging, providing ample time for most jobs. While it weighs more than many other electric models, the powerful drive system handles the extra pounds easily. It also has a generous 200-degree adjustable chute and bright onboard headlights for increased safety and visibility. As much as we like this model, operating it took a little getting used to since the throttle and auger controls are reversed from normal. Once we got the hang of it, we found adjusting the throttle from Eco to Turbo allowed it to handle everything we threw at it. Still, running it on Eco mode generally provided enough power for standard clearing and also helped maximize runtime. While we did experience a stall when we buried the auger in extremely heavy snow too quickly, this wasn't an issue when we ran things at low speed. What our tester says: we're big fans of this Ego electric snow blower. It's so much quieter than gas snow blowers, and we thought it was incredibly easy to use. It also throws snow so far that you almost have to be careful where you aim it. Zach Lazari, product reviews tester and writer. What we like: electric motor is powerful yet quiet. Throws snow up to 50 feet. User-friendly operation. What we don't like: can stall if overloaded too quickly. Specs: type, 2-stage. Width, 24 inches. Self-propelled, yes. Number 3. Snow Joe 48V 18-inch Ionmax single-stage snow blower. If you're seeking an economical single-stage snow blower with plenty of power, simple operational features, and great performance, this could be the model for you. Powered by 2 rechargeable 24V batteries, this Snow Joe delivers up to 40 minutes of runtime to move more than 10 tons of snow per charge. Weighing just 39 pounds, this cordless snow blower is easy to push around and manage. While it doesn't have a drive or propulsion system, the 18-inch rubber-tipped auger helps it move forward while working through snow. This large auger also aids it in cutting a 10-inch deep path noticeably faster than some other models we tested. It throws snow well past the 20-foot mark claimed by the manufacturer and has a helpful set of LED headlights to increase visibility in dark conditions. As an affordable, electric single-stage model, the Snow Joe proved functional and consistent in a variety of conditions. The batteries also charged quickly, about 2 hours, making it possible to get back up and running without long delays. We didn't need to wait through a recharge during testing, however, because the batteries lasted through each full session. What we like includes 2 rechargeable 24-volt batteries. Quadruple-bladed steel auger. Moves up to 10 tons of snow per charge. 180-degree adjustable snow chute. What we don't like. Plastic blade may chip on hard objects. Specs. Type, single stage. Width, 18 inches. Self-propelled, no.